Okay, so as collegiate scientists, as people who are employed by universities to perform science and understand new concepts and even come up with new data for current science, what processes do we use to do that? Well, the most important thing we do is that we are critical thinkers. I've tried to stress the importance of critical thinking already in this course, but I wanted to give this definition for it. Critical thinking is the objective analysis and evaluation of an issue in order to form a judgment. I got that straight off the internet, but I think that it really very well expresses the idea behind being a scientist and performing scientific work. You need to objectively analyze things, and you need to make a judgment based on data. So to do that, what we use is the scientific method. This is the basic procedure performing experiments. So my question to you then is, what are the parts to the scientific method?